At TM Exterior Solutions, we're proud to present our latest project at the Martin residence in the beautiful neighborhood of the Quarry, Clarksville, TN. We installed 90 linear feet of stunning 6-foot wood privacy fencing, designed to enhance both security and aesthetics. With a focus on quality, each post was meticulously set and secured with concrete, ensuring long-term strength, stability, and durability. We also incorporated a single walk gate for convenient access, blending seamlessly with the fence's design. If you're looking to elevate your property's privacy and style, contact TM Exterior Solutions today. Let us bring your vision to life.